Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this DIY Dollar Tree crystal chandelier wedding centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I'll assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. And don't forget to share it with a friend. If you're looking to purchase any of those items that I mentioned in this video, please don't forget to sign up for Ebates, where you can get cashbacks for all the items that you purchase and also get discount from all your purchases as well. The link is in the description underneath this video. Pretty much all dried up. Before I go ahead and add the second cutting board on top of the candlestick, as you can see here, these are the crystal garlands. I'm gonna go ahead and glue the crystals on top of the cutting board using my E6000 glue. So far I have about 24 crystal glass garlands, 24. And if you want to know exactly how many little glass crystals I have in each string, I have about 24. So 24 crystal garlands, and they are about 24 crystal glass beads in each string. So I say you glue it towards the tip of the cutting board. You don't want to do it all the way in the middle. You want to do it at the tip. Leave some spaces in between. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a nice little trick. I am going to assemble all of those crystal garland underneath the candlestick like this. So I'm gonna show you a nice little trick. It's super fast, it's super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this invisible fishing line. It's very clear, you can't even see it. It is super clear, it's super invisible. So we're gonna go ahead and take that. You're gonna take the tip of it. You are going to loop it through the little hole, through the little crystal bead. Not through the ring, but through the little hole of the crystal bead. You're gonna do that process for all of the beads. You're gonna loop the fishing line through all the beads together. So pay close attention on how I do it. So I cut the strings. So you just take the two. You take the two of the invisible fishing line. You pull it like this. And this is how it's going to look when you pull it. When you tuck it together, when you pull it together. And tie it around the candlestick very tightly. See how easy that was? It's a little tedious, but not too tedious. You do not have to worry about it breaking. You're going to tie it around the candlesticks into mini knots. The beauty about this is no one will know that you use a fishing line to get it to get all your crystals to stay the way you see it. Now, as you can see, I left some of the little rings in the bottom of this. As you can see, they're dangling. And the reason why I left those little rings, so you want to make sure when you are doing your garlands apart, you want to make sure at the end of the garlands, you want to make sure you have your rings hanging like that, because what we're going to do is we're going to use the crystal, the rest of your crystal garlands that you have left over, we're going to use it to hang it from the ring, from the little dangling ring, and it's going to hang like that. And this is how it's going to hang. You're going to take it, of course you want to measure it because you want it touching the plate. So I'm going to tell you exactly how many of those crystals you're going to need. So there should be about 24 of those crystal things, of the little rings from your garland hanging. So what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to connect it through it. See, as you can see, I went ahead and I connected my little ring through the garland, and now it's going to be hanging like this. So you're going to need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the little crystals to go down to hang like how you see, it here. And then you're just going to add the little crystals all around through the hooks. Okay guys, as you can see, I am done placing the crystal garland at the bottom. So you're going to need 8 of the crystals to hang it through the loop like I showed you guys before, so you can have it hanging the way it is. It looks absolutely amazing, you guys. Like, I am amazed at the outcome. All you need is just a little bit of patience. In all honesty, you guys, the whole fishing rod idea with using these invisible fishing line, I literally came up with that idea while I was shooting this video, literally. Because my original plan was to use my E6000 glue to glue each one of the crystals underneath that candlestick you see right here. But it wasn't working out and it was way too tedious. I'm like, this was gonna be way too much work. Who decides to create this centerpiece? And I wanted to make it as easy for you guys as possible. So that's why I came up with the idea of using the invisible fishing line to loop it through the little holes and then tie it around the candlestick to get it to look the way you're seeing right now. And it looks absolutely amazing, you guys. So it requires a lot of patience, but you will get through it, okay? So just comment below and let me know your thoughts on what you think about using the fishing rod idea, if you thought that was a good idea, and let me know your thoughts, and let me know your thoughts as well of the outcome. The only thing you're spending money on really is the crystals, and the crystals is totally your option. Whatever crystals you want, you could use glass crystals like I use, or you can use acrylic crystals. It's completely up to you on your preference of what type of crystals you want to use. So what do you guys think? Let me know, comment below. I wanted to add some lights to it. Comment below and let me know if I should add some push lights to kind of light up my chandelier. Let me know what you think. It was a little bit of a hassle, don't get me wrong, but I am so happy that I stuck to it, and then I'm so happy at the outcome and how it turned out.